Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunacy Ali University of Blida 2. Today we're going to present our first lecture titled The C-Suite. So I have divided my first lecture into the following four elements as follows. What is the C-suite? What are the number of C-level positions? Third element about language activities, how to use receive the title of, and finally, our assessment, quizzes, tests, and exams. So what is the C-suite or C-level or exact? The C-suite, also noun exact and also called C-level, refers to a company's top management positions, where the C stands for chief, various chief officers, for example, CEO, CIO, CFO, etc., are the occupants of the C-suite. These individuals, while highly paid and influential, managers are still employees of the firm. Second element, what are or what is the number of C-level positions? The number of C-level positions varies by firm depending on variables such as the company size, mission, and sector. So C-level members work in concert to ensure a company's strategies and operations align with its established plans and policies. Third element about our language activities. So how to use receive the title of. Receive the title of refers to accepting of a new title or designation, especially in a corporate company. Here are a few sentences that help you in deciding on how you can use the phrase to in your daily life. For example, Abaf received the title of CAO in his company. Amin received the title of Chief Marketing Officer in his business. And finally, Mustafa was very excited to receive the title of Technology and Web Developer in a new company at the Diyar al-Bahri. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, and exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next week.